Whispered for decades, it has hidden the impossible. A massive, frozen archive at the bottom of the world. Antarctica. A continent of staggering scale, where every frozen mile could hold an ancient secret. We begin with the map's ancient knowledge hinting at a land not of ice on this but of coastline. The cartography suggests knowledge we didn't acquire until the modern era. And with the modern expeditions, militarized missions that sparked the first great conspiracy. Beneath the ice, the layers hold time itself. This is the journey to the unbelievable. From Baghdad to the Greek islands, history is littered with things that defy their time. Here, we hunt for the ultimate timeline anomaly, evidence that humans or something else existed when the ice was gone. The challenge is reconciling the impossible, says Dr. But the seismic data clearly indicates a shift in the fault line, which correlates precisely with the surface deformations we observed in the past 3 months. Alastair Finch. Because under that crushing ice sheet lies a hidden continent of full geological canvas. Mountains the size of the Alps, the Gamburtsevs, completely buried, yet preserved. The weight of time is literal here, covering a past that was once warm, wet, and green in 50. Which brings us to the first major enigma, the infamous Pyramid Mountain, too perfect to be natural. Is this simply a quirk of geology, or a secret preserved in the deepest south? Our evidence hunt starts high above the ice, where NASA detected something extraordinary. This is their neat experiment, a massive balloon designed to catch cosmic rays. Typically, high-energy particles like neutrinos strike the atmosphere, moving only downward. Yet Anita detected signals rising from Antarctic ice particles behaving as if time itself bent. Dr. Elena Vargas calls this shocking. A defiance of the standard model. Could it reveal a new subatomic particle? Or something unknown to Earth? The trace Anita recorded isn't like any before below the horizon. And that difference may be the key, defying standard physics. The signal we detected, its energy profile, is simply impossible according to current theory. We are seeing something that shouldn't exist. Skeptics suggest the signal is mundane radio waves bouncing unexpectedly off the ice. The unique conditions, the ice structure, the atmosphere can certainly create strange phenomena. The pulses originate from a specific, remote location that scientists can't ignore. The Anita signal remains an unbelievable riddle, or challenging the very rulebook of our universe. Shifting focus, we dive beneath the ice shelf to an even more astonishing discovery. The Anita team's findings remain an unbelievable riddle, challenging the very rulebook of our universe. Researchers drilling through 1,600 feet of ice were looking for water. What they found instead was an entire ecosystem, a river flowing deep in the darkness. Or slightly, we need hundreds of blind, shrimp-like creatures living in a world untouched by the sun. As Dr. Chen Lin explains, this has shocking implications, suggesting life can thrive in total isolation. This subglacial world is vast, connected to systems like the massive Lake Vostok. This is a world that has been revealed after millions of years, an untouched ecosystem, perfectly preserved. And the surprises continue with the Wilkesland Nazca, an immense gravitational anomaly. At over 300 miles wide, it may be an impact crater twice the size of the one that killed the dinosaurs. From new life to new particles, the scientific mysteries are profound. But what about the myths? We turn now to the shadow history, the theories. The whispers of a secret Nazi stronghold known as Base 211 in New Swabia. A base supposedly built in giant thermalized caverns to secure their most sensitive technology. From the emergence of new life to the discovery of new particles and a hidden geology, we are constantly expanding the boundaries of our knowledge. We're looking into the theory of Base 211, the rumored Nazi stronghold. The rumors were fueled by the massive U.S. naval mission 3, Operation High Jump, led by Admiral Byrd. The mission's rapid and explained retreat became the foundation for a shocking secret that persists to this day. The most persistent theory revolves around the Pyramid Mountain, surely evidence of a lost pre-Ice Age civilization. The rapid retreat of High Jump became the foundation for a shocking secret that persists to this day. So, comparing the precise angles of Giza with this massive natural structure reveals a startling similarity. This is clearly a result of freeze-thaw erosion. Water pen, however, diaform rock, failure events campaigns that the pyramid is merely a natural horn, shaped by the elements. It is a classic example of freeze-thaw erosion, where uniform rock breaks away to leave a symmetrical peak. Then there is the Pyrenees map, drawn in 1513, showing an unbelievable ice-free Antarctic coastline. This map suggests that ancient mariners charted the continent when it was green, had devastating timeline, and now this map is a compilation of older sources likely distorted. Yes, and the Antarctic source is purely speculative, based on theoretical geography, and the map is likely a compilation, distorted by speculation and error. When compared to modern radar mapping, the Pyrenees outline proves inconsistent with the landmass beneath the ice. But what if the map is true? We imagine a temperate Antarctica, home to something highly advanced pollen and we know from ice cores that the continent was once tropical. The ice preserves the pollen that proves it. Is the evidence a secret being kept, or a simple misinterpretation of incredibly complex data? The Deep South hidden life. Close-up of the blood. So, is the evidence a secret being kept, or a simple misinterpretation of incredibly complex data? More natural wonders muddy the waters, like the startling, crimson flow of blood falls. A sight created when ancient, iron-rich water leaks and rusts upon contact with the air. Astrobiologists use this as a model to uncover potential habitats for life on other planets, like Mars. Prehistoric secrets are also revealed in fossils, like the massive egg of an ancient marine reptile. We're examining the natural geological wonders, masking the falls and fossils, versus the human anomalies. Anita, the pyramids. This sigil of an immensely diverse ecosystem thrived here when the world was warm. We are left with two conflicting realities. One, a geological marvel. The other, a hub of human or alien mystery. Drived Out Finch reminds us that sensationalism must yield to the painstaking work of science. Yet, even the science is extraordinary, such as the constant supply of meteorites revealed by the blue ice areas. These tiny cosmic messengers, pieces of other worlds, are continually being revealed for us to study, but their vase itself is yielding new evidence. A recent satellite image appears to show a newly exposed, structured line. The ice is melting, and a new secret is finally being revealed. The line isn't naturally straight, begging the comparison to a road or even a ruined wall. But is it an anomaly? Experts cautiously suggest it could be an exposed hystrology or a fault line. The four primary theories stand in a mosaic, none of them able to claim final authority. The most shocking truth is that we simply don't have enough data to close the case. We are only just beginning to uncover this. The most shocking truth is that we simply don't have enough data to close the case. We are only just beginning to uncover this continent's past. We must honor the immense sacrifice and effort of the researchers working in these impossible conditions. Every single data point is a monumental effort against an unbelievable environment. Denita Balloon continues its lonely watch, a reminder that the anomalies haven't stopped. We now turn the questions to you, the inquisitive explorer. Which timeline anomaly is most compelling? Subscribe and let us know in the comments below, and check the description for sources. The ice gives up its secrets slowly, demanding critical thought and open minds from all of us. The world is still full of the inexplicable, and the original anomaly still sits there, waiting for confirmation. The truth is waiting to be uncovered.